Somewhere over here. Sarah, the white stuff is bird poop, by the way. It's not paint. Oh, what's a little bird? Leave them be, they're getting a picture. Sure, they're getting a picture. Stay back. That's a red-eyed bird. He been drinking late. Hi, buddy.
Mom, I don't want it.
See, when they walk and strut, they're making a status for other birds. Don't get too close. That's his personal space. Okay? Don't follow him so closely, Sarah. That could be offensive to birds. I'm serious. Stay back. Well, no, stay back, close backer. Stay backer. Hi. Hello. Thanks for putting that in the video. Thank you.